Alright, what's up guys? So gonna show you a new little tool that I picked up, but first I want to show you how filthy the car is right now. I went to my uncle's place. He got a new piece of property that he bought, and I was helping him move his stuff throughout the desert, and now my tires literally match the color of the car. So yeah, so I just want to show you this tool. There's the other side right there. Pretty filthy. I'm gonna give it a nice little wash with like this little pump sprayer that I bought. And yeah. So just wanted to show you this tool that I got. It's by Ingersoll and Rand. It's impact. I finally got a half-inch drive impact. I know I'm like pretty late in the game as far as like buying anything like this. Everybody has theirs, but finally got mine because of my injury. So if I want to take off wheels, if I want to do brakes, if I want to do the suspension, do anything, I could do it now without having to deal with breaker bars. So this is a pretty old model. I believe it's about 8 or 9 years old, but as you can see, it's literally brand new. And I got it for dirt cheap. Dirt cheap. Just happened to find a deal. I haven't taken it out or anything. Still has all those silica packets and everything. I took the battery out just to see the level of the battery. And where do you do that at? Yeah, right here. And it only has one bar, so yeah. I'm gonna take this out, put it in there, and with one bar, 25%, I'm gonna try and take this out. So yeah. And what sucks is that I had the instructions. I took the instructions out, and I wanted to read them right now, but they're at home and I forgot them. All right, so there it is right there. And man, is this thing freaking heavy. Like there's 12 volt ones that are lighter than this, and yeah, which is a good thing and bad thing, because lugging this thing around and keeping this thing in your car, it's kind of something you don't want to do. But yeah, because I do like keeping tools inside my car for like on the go. But yeah, this is something that I'll probably just take out. It's so heavy. And what's crazy about this is that this is metal, and the attention to detail is that this one where you back out, that's metal too, and it's like nicely sanded. And that one too. So you push that in, it goes in, push that one in, comes out. And yeah, and this thing has 750 foot-pounds of torque to go in, and I believe it's 1100 foot-pounds to go out, just from just taking off a bolt. So that is pretty cool. A lot of power. Since this is the older model, this is the W7150 K12. I think the K12 is just basically the battery package, like it comes with the battery. But yeah, with a 7150, it's just a normal tool. It's the 7152 that actually has the dial in the back where you could adjust your torque, kind of like the air impacts. And that one has like a solid complete 1100 foot-pounds. It has like something where you can go like 250, and then one where it's like really soft, where it's like hand tight, which that's pretty cool. But this one just gives you the beans all together. So yeah, so it has that rubber protection right here. And man, this thing is pretty beefy. I wasn't expecting it to be this heavy, but yeah. So let me put the battery in there and let's try and take this off. Also, I want to show that it's the IQ V20 series. And yeah, so it's 20 volt. And yeah, lithium ion, man, this thing is so dope. Looks good too. It's just stylish. Looks pretty nice. Let me see how you actually, man, I'm actually having trouble holding this thing. Jesus Christ. All right, so squeeze it right here, and that comes off. Put it in right there. Yeah. That's such a good looking tool too. Ergonomics is pretty good because it keeps it where the trigger is like that while it's always level, instead of having it where the trigger's like this and this is like down. Like, they really thought about that. Pretty cool. I mean, pretty standard, but you know, excited about the new toy. So let me get a socket for this, and yeah, let's see. All right, so found an old Duralast impact socket. I used to use these a lot at my old job. These things gotta work out. All right, so let's try this thing out. That's so easy. One thing that's really, really nice is that it's proportional too. So you could go very slow. Can go really, really slow. It's about the slowest right there. So hey guys, so that's just a little video, my new little toy. Pretty happy with this, since you know, I've been needing this for a long time, and then now it's just like it got to the point where I really, really need it, since I can't really use my back for leverage and all that stuff, and cheater bars and all that stuff is just basically out the window, and this is gonna help me pretty fine. So yeah, so this is a little review, test, unboxing, whatever, of the Ingersoll Rand W7150. And yeah, alright guys, I'll see you on the next one.